Some organizations struggle with fragmented information or even important documents scattered around different platforms. Hello, we are Cortex Labs, and this is QUiM References, a system that not only offers organization, but full access to the whole team, so that everyone is on the same page. And our chatbot only makes this easier. With a simple and intuitive UI, anyone can integrate this tool easily within their work process, without hassle and in no time. And now they're on the right path to making all the informed decisions. Because in a world full of data, the real advantage is in knowing how to use it.